guys, it's Angela Olmos here with Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage, and today I'm going to do a quick follow-up video to one of the recent model home walkthroughs that I went on featuring a next generation home built by Lennar. And what is a next generation home? The best way to explain it is a home within a home. It's a home within a home, and it serves a great solution for maybe an in-law who might still be living in the home, but you want them to have the benefit of having their own private area within still the same roof. Ideal for that. Another scenario that comes to mind would be maybe like a college student coming back home, but you want them to have the benefit again of the private setting within the same roof. And what I mean by the private settings, these homes actually have their own private access door and their own attached garage to the next generation suite. Ideal for that scenario. Another scenario that comes to mind would be maybe a special needs family member that you care after, but you want them to have their own private area within the home that you're all living in. So it's a perfect solution for that. So if you know of anyone that would actually benefit from this type of setup, let me know. They're actually built these types of home through different various communities in Northeast Florida. And the one that I'm going to show you guys today, let me just go ahead and switch my mode here to camera view or the screen view, is the Independence. And the Independence is a really beautiful floor plan. I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through it. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to make this just a little bigger so it's easier to see. Okay, so the Independence features 2,270 square feet. And side note, that is all heated and air conditioning space. That does not include the garages or the covered lanai. It also has a total of 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths and a 3-car garage. And the way the garages are split up, there's 2 garages there's a 2-car garage for the main home and a 1-car garage for the next gen suite. So let me go ahead and show you guys the highlight. The highlight here is how you have this home within a home, right? So we call that a next generation suite. And that's this whole area here on the blue, the light blue. Again, you have its own private access door. So if they're coming in from the outside, they can do that without having to go through the main door of the home. They can just access that next gen suite right away. Another great feature is that it does have an attached garage. So let's say it's raining outside, they can come in and park their car right in the garage and go right into the next gen suite. It offers a beautiful kitchen. It's a really open layout. You also have the living room area, a full bath there for them, and a really nice sized bedroom. And you can also close that off with an interior door, and then there's a private home right there. Now, what's nice about it, though, is that it's still connected to the main home. So what I'm going to show you guys now is if you're coming in through the main door to the main home, you go down this hallway, and it beautifully opens up from the gathering area onto the cafe, onto the kitchen, connects onto a covered lanai through this gorgeous sliding glass doors that bring in a lot of natural light. And then that covered lanai could be screened so that you guys can enjoy that during the summer. Now, towards the back of the home, you also have the master suite that's neatly tucked in with a great size walk-in closet and the master bath with 2 sinks and a walk-in shower. Now, going back towards the center of the home, you'll notice there's a hallway here that connects onto where the other 2 bedrooms are located. And this would be an ideal setup for maybe 2 young children, maybe 2 school-age children that are home. They offer what they call a Jack and Jill setup. So this bathroom has a couple different ways that you can access this. You can go through either one of the bedrooms and get right into that bathroom. There's still 2 sinks in it too. And then you also have the laundry room for the main home, and also a half bath. So let's say you have someone coming over to visit for dinner or anything like that, then you can still keep the private areas private, and the common area is very open, very inviting, and then they can use the half bath if they need to. So ideal for that. It offers a lot of privacy in the areas that you want to keep private, and very open and inviting areas on the main gathering spaces. So there you have it. It's called the Next Gen Suite. And if you know of anyone that could benefit from this type of layout in home, I'd love to connect with them. Please share this video with them. And again, if you want to see the walkthrough video that I recently did walking through this home. I'll go ahead and link that as well. Have a great day, everyone. Be blessed and take care.